Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your bar. First, let's talk about the essentials. You'll want to choose a dedicated space, whether it's a stylish bar cart, a small cabinet, or even a section of your kitchen counter. Make sure the surface is sturdy enough to hold your bottles and glassware. Easy access to water and ice is crucial for mixing drinks, and don't forget about smart storage solutions for all your spirits, tools, and garnishes. Next, let's gather your essential bar tools. A good cocktail shaker, either a Boston or cobbler style, is indispensable for mixing and chilling your concoctions. You'll need a jigger for precise measurements, typically with 1 ounce and 2 ounce markings, ensuring consistent drinks every time. A long bar spoon is perfect for stirring and layering. Don't forget strainers, like a Hawthorne, to keep ice and pulp out of your finished drink, and a muddler for fresh ingredients. Now, let's stock your bar with spirits and mixers. Start with 3 to 5 versatile base spirits. Think gin, vodka, whiskey, rum, and tequila. Add essential liqueurs like an orange liqueur and a dry vermouth for classic cocktails. Don't forget your mixer's tonic water, soda water, and a few common juices are key. A small selection of bitters, perhaps Angostura and orange, will add complexity. Finally, fresh garnishes like lemons, limes, and cherries are a must for presentation. Finally, let's talk about organization and presentation to make your bar inviting. Arrange your bottles thoughtfully, perhaps by spirit type or color, for an appealing visual. Keep your glassware sparkling clean and within easy reach. Store your bar tools neatly in a drawer or a stylish caddy to maintain a tidy space. A small cutting board and a sharp knife are essential for preparing fresh garnishes. Personalize your bar with decorative items or unique coasters to reflect your style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.